Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Asana for task management. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to go to asana.com and then click this go to Asana. And then if you have an account, of course, it will take you directly to your account. If you haven't signed up yet, you have to create new account. So in order to create a task management sample in Asana, you just have to click this project here and then tap this blank project. Now you have to enter the name of your new project. So let's just say my project name is Marketing Campaign Launch and then privacy set to public, but everything is up to you. Now default view, we have here list, board, timeline, and calendar. But this time I will be using a list template or layout. What do you want to do first? Of course, start adding tasks to my team. So if you want to explore more, you can go to this side here and then you can see the home. You can see everything, tasks. You can see all the tasks here, your task, your team's task, inbox, any messages. Then reporting, you can see the status of your project here, and then portfolios also. Organize your portfolio and then try to set the goal if you want. It serves as group's motivation. Okay, so this is the name of my project, task management sample, marketing campaign launch. So to add task, all you have to do is to click this one, but let me first add something like a description for my task management sample. Okay, so to add task, you just have to tap add task here, and then you can now create or add some task. So these are my sample tasks: conduct market research, define target audience, develop marketing strategy. Okay, so to start with this one, I can assign this task to my team if I want to. For example, I want to assign this task to someone, so I just have to go to assignee and then type the person's name. If he or she's not here, then I can send an invitation for that. So I'm going to send it to selena@gmail.com and she will be notified for her new task. Okay, so we have here define target audience. I'm going to send it to Andrew. And then for develop marketing strategy, I'm going to assign this to Diane. So I'll have to type Diane's email address and then send an invitation because she's not here. Okay, so next is due date. All I have to do is to tap this and then set the date. They should submit this test on this given day. Okay, and then, yeah. After that, if you want to add something, you just have to tap this plus icon. For example, I want to add priority. Let's just say this one is high. Okay, the first one here is high. And then the second here we have is like medium. And then the third we have is low. Okay, but actually you can set it to anything. Which one is the most urgent? Okay, so if I'm going to tap this one, I can add more description, I can add sub tests, I can let someone leave a comment, or I can leave a comment here or feedback here. And then here I can add more tools like you just have to tap this one here, and if this here, I can add files, and also I can add tools like Zoom, Gmail, Google Drive, and so on. Okay, so that's it, and that's how simple it is to use Asana for task management. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.